Sanibona guys. So today is to solve for x. Let's say you have x squared minus 4x equals to 0. Quadratic still equation there, but just because siyakekho. So ungajumpise lo then divide nga x. One of the rules ukuthi never divide by x. Since ufuna x, don't divide ngalento ufuna yona. So to keep common fact, since x squared is like x times x, and then 4x is 4 times x. So keep a common factor. The common factor is what? Tinde fanako like lama terms now. Since we have two terms, we have 1, 2. My terms are divided plus, minus only. If you see a times, it's one thing. Hence, this is a term, nale term. So, like two my terms, kune common fact. Tinde fanako. Kufana yini? Kufana x. To keep our x, mon keep salabani, sala x, then 9 sign a fag. More keep a x like 4x salaban sala 4 equals to 0. The x lower than gun. So bracket equals to 0, bracket equals to 0. The bracket layer is equals to x minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore your champisa, last video we discussed this. More champisa to plus 4. Therefore, now you get answer. So let's do another question finally. Let's say una x squared plus 3x equals to 0. Ungaphosa amafoni ulingete le question to keep lo common fact. The common fact la kufana yini tine tifanako la ama terms last na two ma terms in le tine tifanako ngo x. Keep lo x mo keep x la le term le sala bani sala x ngamunye, then plus lo amshi mo keep x la le term le sala bani sala 3 equals to 0. Dot x equals to x equals to 0 or x plus 3, this the bracket lay equals to 0. Therefore x log 3 na jump over bani minus 3. Therefore very simple. Sorry. Okay. Now, send the quadratic. Let's practice a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So, before start, we are the equal. Ukhona ubona ukuthi le equation le quadratic or njani. Quadratic is in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Standard form also is. So most of more in my question, like maybe let's say in a question later 3x squared minus 4 equals to 5x. Even though maybe I had to use long A, long C, and a long B, I'll figure out a quadratic equation. Maybe we in this form, standard form. Maybe we in this form first, because in the mark, and it's very simple. So on net when I can't go on, it's okay. X squared, merely x squared, you could take a number within x, then go generally with a load, and then equals to 0. So lo a wa kuba misana bani na 3x squared le bejampisi beyangala itoba minus 5x minus 5x, which is low b. This is a, this is b. Then c wakho minus 4, a constant, I na variable and x equals to 0. So the 20 now mark for standard form. So yeah. Okay. As very stupid equation there. So the quadratic equation is like this. It's x equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So b wakumbala now futhi I even gave you my sign. So b is minus 5. Don't take the 5 only, take the sign. Uthathe sign na futhi, because yeah. So it's minus b wale equation, then we faka b wakumbani minus 5 plus or minus b wakumbani minus 5, a wakumbani 3, c wakumbani minus 4. Ungabhali 4 ayi-1, faka nele sign. Divided by a, divided by 2a, a wakumbani 3. This and this equals to then the shallow calculator, I think it's 73. I'm not sure if it's 73 or what. Divide by 6. Okay. Then multiply 5 plus the layer plus much. Let me verify this. Minus 5 squared minus 4 3. Oh yeah, I said 73. I wrote 76. So 73 divided by 6. Or since it is minus, there minus 5 minus divided by 6. So to continue is plus 73. Then we will calculate. Okay, the first answer is 2 comma 2 6. If maybe it's round off to two decimal places, then the second one it's negative 0 comma 5 9. That's it. Like as you can see with that loop, the first thing like when it's okay, banginike na equation athi ngifake in standard form. Okay, na it's a mark na quadratic equation yami. Mina lento ngathi ukuthi a wami ngibani, b wami ngibani, c wami ngibani, ngicedile. And as long as ngakhohlwa ama sign ngicedile. So yeah, lightweight guys. So I think it's going to end an example. Remember, my maths, like, as long as you practice or understand, like, just when understand the concept of la and then that's it, you can solve any problem. So, send you one last example. So you have 3x squared minus 14 equals to, okay, let me do this because I'm finding very similar to that last one we did. Okay, maybe let's say una 2x squared plus 2 minus 8x equals to 0. Remember, okuqala sendani sifaka standard form. So uzothi 2x squared long c lo akafuneki la, so tofaka lo b minus 8x plus 2, which is c wakho, then mark. And then maqhubeka ufaka kule quadratic equation plus or minus bx 4ac divided by 2a. So x wakumbani, okay, let's substitute amount minus b wakumbani minus 8. Ungakhohlwa le sign, no minus walo formula, no minus walo 8. Don't make that mistake. Then minus a squared minus 4, a wakumbani 2, c wakumbani 2 9. Divided by 2a wakumbani 2. This times this positive 8 plus or minus. Then ufaka lo kula mkhazi calculate minus 8 squared minus 4a (48). Kumbola, if number yakhe answer, if I type out in little loud, answer le negative, which means you mix some sign or there's something wrong because it over maths error. So number le square root may be positive. Divide by 4. So x equals to plus. Since it is plus or minus, want to triangle plus. Sorry. Triangle plus 48. And then divide by 4, or then faka leya minus 8 minus root 48 divided by 4. Therefore 8 plus root 48, it's what? 3,73. And then the second answer is 0,28. Therefore we are done. So it's that simple. You can practice and practice, like action load, it's the same thing, same method, same procedure. This is usually like 4 or 5 marks, because they mark here, they mark here, then they mark substitution and the standard form, like 4 to 5, depends on the question paper, but it's never less than 4. So it's my marks are free. Thank you guys. In the next video I'm gonna do simultaneous and factorization. Yeah, please like and subscribe.